assuming you're searching for Bitcoin money cost expectations. Estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Bitcoin money will go from now on. We will investigate the previous costs of Bitcoin money and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this expectation and each for the most part other expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will sort of make an honest effort. How about we start? Bitcoin money past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitcoin money is $133.05 and BCH is presently in a real sense position number 27 in the whole crypto-biological system. The core supply of Bitcoin money is 19,343,706 with a market cap of $2,573,754,262, which is very critical, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Bitcoin money's cost has shown in every way that really matters, great increment of 2.68% in the very most recent 24 hours. From most recent 7 days the BCH was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.47%. Bitcoin money has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely recently and this could be a great chance to dive right in and contribute. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that Bitcoin money has expanded 0.394% in its worth. The typical lease cost for the month is $122.39, while greatest normal cost basically was $132.53 in an unobtrusive manner. This infers that this coin fundamentally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 20.08% and the cost basically coursed from a by and large lease typical cost of $105.99 to greatest normal cost of $109.48 in the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Bitcoin money has shown a developing pattern, which is genuinely critical. Consequently, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market most certainly were very famous at that period. As per indisputably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 21.26% with the greatest typical cost of the coin basically was around $106.51 and the base typical cost of explicitly was around $98.84 and beyond 4 months, which is very huge. We anticipate future Bitcoin money cost expectations. BCH figure by applying commonly profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Bitcoin money. We do our kind of the best to gather most extreme verifiable information for the BCH coin which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Bitcoin money market cap, Bitcoin money volume and not many more. Assuming you most certainly are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023 as per our for the most part profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH. In 2023 the cost of Bitcoin money is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $162.76. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $186.45 with the typical exchanging cost of $167.56, which is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value expectation 2024 is per our profound specialized examination on past value information of BCH. In 2024 the cost of Bitcoin money is gauged to sort of be at around a base worth of $239.11 in an especially significant manner. The Bitcoin money value worth can arrive at a limit of $285.26 with the typical exchanging worth of $245.81 in USD, which is genuinely critical. BCH value figure for 2025 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of Bitcoin money essentially is anticipated to fundamentally reach at a very least degree of $348.31. The BCH cost can arrive at in every practical sense, greatest degree of $421.41 with the typical exchanging cost of $360.60. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 Bitcoin money cost is figured to arrive at a sort of the most minimal conceivable degree of $531.93 in 2026, which is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $599.67 with the typical conjecture cost of $549.96. In spite of mainstream thinking, Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027 Bitcoin money cost is gauged to arrive at in a real sense the most minimal kind of conceivable degree of $733.78 in 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the BCH cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $930.27 with the typical estimate cost of $761.28. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2028 The cost of Bitcoin money is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1,097.29 in 2028. The Bitcoin money cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1,275.47 with the typical cost of $1,127.74 all through 2028. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029 According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2029 the cost of Bitcoin money is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $1,531.27, which for the most part is very huge. The BCH cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $1,875.98 with the typical worth of $1,576.38. Bitcoin Money Value Figure 2030 The cost of Bitcoin money is anticipated to basically reach at the very least worth of $2,205.45 in 2030. The Bitcoin money cost could truly arrive at a greatest worth of $2,713.52 with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $2,268.51 all through 2030. Or so they thought. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2031 The cost of one Bitcoin money is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $3,150.79 in 2031. The BCH cost can especially arrive at a greatest degree of $3,827.40 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $3,264.22 all through 2031, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2032 The cost of Bitcoin money is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of $4,565.96 in 2032. The Bitcoin money cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $5,565.90 with the typical exchanging cost of $4,696.53 all through 2032, or so they thought, which is very huge. What is the fate of Bitcoin money? The eventual fate of Bitcoin money is exceptionally in every practical sense subject to the truly by and large execution of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into BCH, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile. In any case, still a phenomenal venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its speculative nature, BCH likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing